Hello and welcome to Human Biology. My name's Lucy and I'm the course coordinator and also one of the teachers on the course. Today I'm going to talk you through a little bit about the course, and if you have any questions please do type in the chat and I will attempt to answer them at the end. If there's anything we need to get back to you on, please leave contact details or feel free to contact admissions at a later date if you have follow-up questions after the event. The team consists of a variety of staff with different specialisms and backgrounds, and depending on the module, you may have different teachers at different times for different sections. We aim to provide subject specialists as we go, and everybody's always available to help outside of sessions. So some of the reasons that people have previously said they've chosen a Btec include that they're easier than A-levels, that we can manage the student grades, and that courses are designed for low-level GCSEs. That's not the case, and in fact what a Btec offers is an opportunity to be assessed in a variety of ways. Students develop industry-related skills as we go, and that could be scientific industry skills of handling equipment and carrying out experiments, or it could be developing industry skills like communication and organisation ready for work after one. Courses are designed to be similar to academic abilities required for A-levels, and we develop a range of skills through a range of different methods as we go. In the first year of human biology, you will study two modules, which is the Principles of Applied Human Biology, an exam marked by the exam board. The second module you'll then study is Practical Microbiology and Infectious Diseases, which is a coursework assess module where we assess in-house and your work is marked and fed back on. In the second year, you have Human Biology and Health Issues, which is a task set and marked by the exam board. And then you have a further coursework assess module of Human Reproduction and Fertility, which is set and marked by staff in-house. Those four modules are the equivalent of one A-level and provide UCAS points if you choose to apply to university alongside your other subjects, or it gives you a range of knowledge and skills to transfer into the world of work. But we aim to assess in a variety of ways, and when we set coursework, we can do it in a number of different ways. We offer the variation to, again, further develop the skills that you'll either need at university or after university when you embark on your science career. We can offer things from leaflets, poster designs, we develop PowerPoints and the skills required to deliver and assess tests and projects. We then write those up for coursework that is marked and fed back to you. For every single unit, you can achieve a pass, a merit, or a distinction. To achieve a distinction overall in a unit, you will be required to complete and achieve all the criteria for pass, all for merit, and all for distinction. That will give you a distinction overall for that unit. To achieve a merit for the unit, you'll be required to complete all the passes and all the merit criteria within that unit. If you achieve some, but not all of the distinctions, the last complete level will be a merit, and that's what your unit will finish as. Your overall grade for the extended certificate is then an average of your units, and that will be presented as a single grade at the end of the 2 years, i.e. a merit would be worth 32 UCAS points, and you would then have UCAS points from your other two subjects also. If you get a distinction, you can have 48 UCAS points. In line with A-levels, there is also the option for a distinction star for the overall qualification of the Btec extended certificate. And that's the equivalent of an A star, and that's worth 56 UCAS points. Resources that support you to be successful on the course include the orange zone, where the STEM subject resources are stored. So that's class books or specifically science resources that you'd find useful. Your PPT is a really valuable resource because they are there to support you in terms of any personal issues that you have, any stresses, any concerns, any skills that you need to develop that will make you a more successful learner. Your PPT is there to support. The LRC have some fabulous staff that are there to book one-to-ones or small groups to help you develop your research skills and your access to suitable writing materials for level 3. The student-teacher cycle in the middle is one that's very important because whilst we will drive your curriculum and to ensure that you are directed through the course materials that you need, We then assess and work from your feedback as well. So if you have questions as you go, it's very important that as we're going through the materials that you are willing to ask questions and to make sure that you are on the right track as well. Further to that, we store all our lesson resources on Moodle, along with further reading and extended links to websites. This is designed to give you a little bit of further reading, and you can expand even more in your free periods that are called independent study. In terms of understanding how you're getting on as you go on the course, you'll have access to dashboard, which was on my previous screen. So you'll be able to log in and see your progress at all times here. When you go in for your qualification, you'll have an overview which shows all 4 modules that you'll need to achieve. Once you have a grade achieved in that unit, it will show up below. If it reads as a U, it means unfinished. If you want to see how you're getting on with the criteria within a unit, you would click on the overview and drop down to one of the 4 modules. Then you will be able to see every criteria and how you're getting on. It's a little bit like a shopping list where if you have a green, you've achieved it. If you have an amber, it means it's partially achieved and you may have to redo a little bit more to achieve. And if it's red, it means we can't yet see the evidence of a submission. It enables you to, in real time, see how you're getting on the course and to ask if you're unsure of what you need to be doing to achieve the grade you'd like. If you have any questions, please do type them in the chat. And if after today's session you have further questions, please do contact admission to be able to help. Thank you.